How to change signature on DocuSign. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this you will have to open up your DocuSign account, and after that click on the top right hand side corner on your profile. After that click on this option of manage profile, and this way you would be headed over to this profile. After that, now you need to select the option of signatures at the left hand side, and here you can change your existing signature or you can also add a new signature. In order to add a new signature, just simply click on this option of add signature, and this way you would be able to add it. And in case if you want to change your current signature, then just simply click on this option of actions, then select add it. After that you can either upload a new signature, you can either draw or choose the template of the signatures that has already been provided. So currently we have a signature that has been drawn, so in case if we want to change it, we can change it to any of the options that are given to us. Suppose I want to choose this one, so I will just simply select it, and this way your signature will be changed. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.